Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the space and taking precise measurements so every choice fits and stays safe. First, clear debris and unstable objects. This reduces pests and trip hazards. Once done, measure length, width, and usable height, and note load capacity in kg per square meter so furniture and planters won't overload the structure. Next, observe sun and wind patterns across a day and locate water and electrical access. These facts guide layout, plant selection, and lighting decisions, so plan with data, not guesswork. Now you translate measurements into zones and start building the terrace layout. Begin by sketching seating, dining, and planting areas with clear circulation paths that are at least 60-80 cm wide. This prevents cramped movement. Then choose multifunctional, weather-rated furniture. Folding tables and stackable chairs save space and withstand elements. Once chosen, install modular planters and railing pots to maximize green area. Vertical plant systems free floor space and improve insulation. Make sure to anchor tall finish by adding lighting, shade, and soft textiles to make the terrace usable day and night. Install layered lighting, task, ambient, and accent so you can adjust mood. Add an umbrella or retractable shade for midday sun. Then set a watering plan using drip lines or self-watering pots and schedule weekly checks for pests and drainage. If things go wrong, here's a key tip. Secure or replace any item that moves in strong wind and improve drainage to prevent root rot. Addressing this early avoids costly replacements later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.